How I sold 2546 final expense plans in 10 years. Built 1.2 million in renewals. How did I do it? All by using my 3-step postcard system, niche affluent widow leads, Google Ads, and my $1 million referral system. Hi, I am Russ Jones, the lead junkie. I was tired of buying leads. Delays in getting my leads, high cost of leads. Here's a very important question. Do you need more final expense leads? Are you tired of paying $37 to $47 per lead? Would you like to have your own final expense lead generating system? If so, here is my strategy how you can do it the same and make more money and save on lead cost. Using my postcard system and niche widow leads, I broke the company record with 55 applications years back in October. When I was younger, my wife and I handed addressed 300 pink postcards and mailed them out in a senior trailer court and several high-rise senior apartment centers in Vallejo, California. Then I went crazy calling and going to the field to deliver my free gift, which was my memorial guide. Here is a secret. It was 10 pages long and several pages were very emotional about playing a funeral and taking the burden off their loved ones. It was all part of the presentation. I think I did 27 presentations the first week in October and sold 17 policies. They were a lot of small cases. Sold 55 policies in October. But I got my picture on the front cover of the company's monthly newsletter and won the trip to Hawaii. You're right, I worked my butt off and never was able to match those numbers again. My weekly goal was to average 15 to 17 interviews per week. I averaged 3-4 interviews per day. My average cost of the leads to get that appointment, it was about $5 per appointment set. I had trained 2 telemarketers book many of my appointments for me. To learn more and a free report and video, go to www.afinalexpensemillionairekit.com.